Welcome back guys to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'll show you guys the new chapter 2 season 7
Alright,
battle
listen up.
pass. What you're watching
We don't
right
have
now
much
is the
time.
chapter 2 season 7 battle pass trailer.
We now stand at the brink of war. With an enemy we do not understand. We face impossible odds. And invaders within our ranks. But we have something they don't. A reason to fight. Whether you've always been here, or you're
Guys,
a visitor
Superman is
from
here in
another
Fortnite.
star. This island is ours. And if it's war they want, we'll give it to them.
Guys, I will quickly buy the battle pass. Guys, I got the Chimera skin and I got 5 battle stars. You guys might be thinking what are battle stars. This season's battle pass is very different. In this season we have to earn battle stars. We earn 5 battle stars every time we level up and we can spend these battle stars to claim battle pass rewards in the order we want. Next are alien artifacts. We can pick up alien artifacts across the island and inside cosmic chests. We can spend these alien artifacts to claim styles for the customizable Chimera outfit. Next are gold bars. We can complete quests from characters or play phones to earn gold bars that persist between matches. We can spend our gold bars to upgrade our weapons with upgrade branches or grab items from vending machines and a lot more. Guys, this is how you can use battle stars to claim battle pass rewards. You just have to click on the item. For example, I am claiming the V-Bucks, so I have to click and hold on the V-Bucks. Now let's go through the battle pass. This is the Chimera skin. Then we have this wrap. Then we have this loading screen. Some V-Bucks. The little saucer emote. A back bling. Abduction contrail. Mercurial spray. Fish sticks back bling. A banner. A harvesting tool, sunny outfit, a spray, loading screen, some more V-Bucks, Sunny's music, banner, a emoticon, Uzi wrap, and some more V-Bucks. We have the Voyager Sunny skin, Laser Blaze wrap, some V-Bucks, a emote, some more V-Bucks, patch pack back bling, cuttered count trail, a banner, a loading screen, and Sunny's lander glider. Gujimon skin, another back bling, axe to grind music, Fever's dream emoticon, a spray, chop dropper glider, a loading screen, chop harvesting tool, some more V-Bucks, and another banner. Joey skin, some more V-Bucks, inversion contrail, another banner, galactic pack back bling, zip flip wrap, inside out spray, another emoticon, harvesting tools, loading screen, unzipped built-in emote for the Joey skin, some more V-Bucks, the style for the galactic pack back bling, another wrap, another loading screen, Meowsicle's janky back bling, another spray, a style for the pickaxe, some more V-Bucks, Vulcan salute emote, Zig skin, Zig's chain blade harvesting tool, another loading screen, Choppy Pet, some more V-Bucks, Ziggy Wrap, Zig Ray Glider, Stand Together Spray, Light Streak Contrail, another banner, Dr. Sloan Skin, another bag bling, Drop Jet Contrail, some more V-Bucks, IO Stealth Sail Glider, some more V-Bucks, another loading screen, 8-ball Janky bag bling, Sloan Spray, IO Eradicator harvesting tool, Battlesuit style for Sloan Skin, another banner, another wrap, another emoticon, some more V-Bucks, denotation music, Molten Midnight Zyg style for the Zyg skin, kickback emote, another loading screen, and some more V-Bucks. This is the last page of the battle pass. This is the Rick skin, Butterbot bag bling, Rick's portal wrap, another loading screen, Rick's UFO cruiser glider, Interstellar Rick spray, the Rick dance emote, some more V-Bucks, another emoticon, Hammerhead Moti harvesting tool. That is it for the battle pass. Now let's go into the customized Chimera skin option. To unlock all the customizable options for the Chimera skin, you have to get the alien artifacts which are found across the island or inside cosmic chest. Guys, in total there can be 2000 different combination of this skin. Now let's get into the bonus rewards of this battle pass. The Beach Combo Sunny style for the Sunny skin, another spray, Sandstone Joey style for the Joey skin, Battle Sprite Sloan style for the Sloan skin, another banner, another emoticon, another style for a bag bling, Toxic Rick style for Rick, another spray, another emoticon, Meg Glow Zyg style for Zyg, Dr. Sloan Shades style for Sloan, Gugimon Mark style for Gugimon skin. Guys, 3 pages of the bonus rewards are empty and they will be revealed in 16 days. So guys, now let's get into the secret skin of this battle pass, which is Superman. Guys, these skins will be able to be unlocked after 65 days. The first reward is the Clark Kent skin. Next is an emoticon. Then we have the Daily Planet bag bling, another spray, secret identity built-in emote which turns Clark Kent into Superman, Tails Cape glider, another banner, Solitude Striker harvesting tool, another loading screen, and Clark Kent shadow version style for Clark Kent and Superman. That is all for this season's battle pass, guys. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.